What happens when your pin puller cable breaks? Well, this is what happens. So in this video, we're going to show you how to do an easy do-it-yourself fix on replacing this, making it maybe a little bit stronger than it was. This general fix will help you out. It'll kind of give you a real quick idea on what you need and how to go about replacing a cable. What you're going to need is, you're going to need a cable, correct size. This is a bicycle brake cable. You're going to need some cable crimps. You're going to need something to crimp it down like this. We are going to try this pair of pliers and see if that won't work. Okay, I do not know. That's why I brought 4 crimps. And you're going to need something to cut the cable. So, all right. What we're going to do first is we're going to make the pull end. So we're going to have to cut this cable to get this rubber off of here, because it's really nice pulling on rubber instead of just cable. And then we are going to crimp it down and see how it works. Make sure you cut the cable a little longer than what you need, because you can always trim this side up once it's on the rack. I haven't used these cable cutters in years, so they may not even work. And guess what? They're not even going to work. So, on to dikes. So, what we're going to do is, we're going to measure these out. Remember, cut it a little bit too long. In my opinion, these are too long to begin with. And generally, you want to use cable cutters because it doesn't fray the end of the cable. So we're just going to cut a little bit of extra off. Okay, so you got your cable right there. Take your... All right, go like this. Wow, this is a little harder than it looks. Okay, see you got a little bit of cable sitting there hanging out of that? Maybe. All right, now we're gonna try this. Wish me luck. And just move it down the thing. I'm not putting a ton of pressure on it because now I'm going to do the other side. I don't think it's going to work, guys. There you go. There you go. I mean, it's ugly, but I think it might work. So anyways, you get the idea. They do make a special crimper that looks like bolt cutters. So, but anyways, that is how you would fix a cable. I mean, it's not like you got a lot of force on this, putting it on the bike. Now, when you're doing this part, be sure that you don't forget to put it through that hole right there. Okay? Now, you see how much slack this has got on it? I don't like all that extra slack. I don't like it being that long. because it kind of flops around. So I'm gonna kind of shorten mine up. I'm gonna bring mine like right there. Okay, so once you run your cable through here, okay, you're going to bend your cable, come through this hole. Oh my God, this is gonna be a pain in the, oh, nope. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna run your cable through the back side. You're gonna run your crimp. Don't forget your crimp. Okay. I already did it, you saw that. Okay. Come through like so. Ooh, my tummy. I'm hungry. Who wants to bring me breakfast? I'm just kidding. Nobody wants to bring me damn breakfast. Okay. So this doesn't have to be super tight. Okay? But I'm going to leave mine right about there. And this is what's going to be the fun part, crimping this dang thing while it's on the bike. Oh my goodness. So what's an easy way? Got an idea. But what we're going to do is, how about this? All right, but you got to hit this on the first shot, just like that. That'll help hold that in place. So you can now, you can come in here, okay. And what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to alternate it. Okay, I think we're good to take that off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn that pin to get to the other side. Okay, and I'm going to crimp it. There we go. Look at that. And it's fixed. Boom. Just want to say again, thanks for watching. And as always, be safe.